you can use Canva. So Canva is canva.com. It's free. Alright, they have a paid version, but the free version does everything you want. Now when Canva opens on your phone or your laptop, you can see that you have many kind of things you can create. Social media posts, presentations like PowerPoint, you have videos, marketing videos and whatever. There are so many. Look at this. If you click here, you will see many more kinds of things, flyers that you can create, even ebook covers. Alright, so if you click, you'll see already made marketing stuff that you could use. Alright, so but for me, most times I like to start from blank sheets or from social media, since I'm going to be creating it on social media. Now you also need to know that there is also Canva mobile app. So if you're using phone, I'll suggest you use the mobile app for it instead of just visiting Canva on your phone. Alright, so mobile app for Canva. Go to your Play Store and download Canva. Alright, or App Store depending on the phone you're using. Alright, so I'm going to be posting on social media. I'll click on social media. You'll see so many. If you're going to be boosting your post on Instagram, what of on Facebook, and so on. Since we are going to be creating on Facebook, we'll click here, and then it shows us this page with all these sample Facebook posts. These are sample Facebook posts. Example, look at this. Now if you look here, you'll see Pro. Pro means that it is paid. You can't use it for free. If you try to use it, it's going to carry that Pro. It's going to print that Pro on your screen. But mine is not printing Pro because I paid, alright, about 1,000 or 2,500 naira per month. It's a very, very useful tool if you're going to be advertising. So paying that money will benefit you. So you see some of them are free. Look at free. But then occasionally you will see the one that has Pro. Okay. So I've clicked one, and because it looks nice to me, and you can change everything there. If you click on this now, this is an element. So if you click on elements here and you search for anything at all, look at pictures, look at anything at all, you will see that. Okay, so if I say grocery now, I'll say, let me say courses, since I'm selling online courses. Now I can see pictures of laptops. You see, look at this, people studying in a class, online course, a whole lot of things. You see, a whole lot of things that I can use for online courses, a whole lot. You see. Alright, so there is more here. There are logos. If you want to create your own logo, you see, when you click on more, you see a whole lot of things. Look at things you can use for YouTube. Now if you're going to use a YouTube, it usually has sound. Try and not copy it with the sound. Don't include sound, because when you upload on YouTube with that sound, YouTube will penalize you. Okay, there's a way to sync your Canva to YouTube. If you click here, you scroll, find YouTube there, and then you do the syncing. Where is YouTube? If you click on see all, you'll see YouTube. You click there and then it's gonna sync. Right, so now from here I can change these wordings. If I click here, I can say whatever. You see, I can change the wordings. I can change the text. Look at the text color. I can change it from here, just like MS Word. You see, I can change, and I can change the alignment. If you keep clicking, you see you can change. What of effects? What of animate? You can animate it. Look at this. You see, once you animate, you notice that this thing appears because it's now a video. If you don't want the animate, you can go back, like Ctrl Z on your keyboard, Ctrl Z, or you press this. Look at this, and you see it's no longer a video, it's now a picture. So if you animate, for instance, if you animate, it becomes a video. Now how long does the animation last? 5 seconds. If I click here, you see that it takes 5 seconds for this to animate. Fine. If I want to increase the 5 seconds, I click here and make it 10. You can animate different things at different times. Look at this one. I can come here and unanimate and animate it differently. Okay, I've selected that. So what you notice is if I click play, you see the two animations. Look at this one, takes 10 seconds to animate, you see. So if you click on it, you can also modify the animation instead of 14 seconds. So that's how to convert a picture to an image, and then you change the things you need to change, and before you know it, you're done. Alright, once you're done, you click on download. Download asks you how you want to download it. Because we animated it, it's now a video. It's asking us to download as video. But what if we don't want to download it as a video? There are other options. If you want it to be a picture, you click on PNG or JPG. If you click on any of them, it will download as a picture, and that animation will not be there. Now let's say you want to create multiple flyers, multiple designs. Okay, so you can click on add page. It creates a new page, and then you can, this is a blank page, so you can sync this to your Instagram, so when you are done creating it, will go to your Instagram. So for a blank page, we can just start with elements to start putting things inside. So I've added this. Remember, you can do this on your phone too. Just calm down and figure out how it works on phone. So now I've added this. What else do I add now? A way to write text, right? So if I want a way to write text, I can put a background here. So if I go to Google, I can say dark background. Enter. So this dark background, I see many dark backgrounds, but if I click on images, I will see many more. Many more. Really cool. Now if I want it to be red, I can say dark background red, or red dark background, anyone, you see. If you want it to be blue, the same thing. So I'm just gonna choose anyone that makes sense to me. This doesn't make sense, but I'm just using it for this guide. So I'll click copy, come back to here, then I paste, Ctrl V, or right click and paste. Right click, paste. Allow. Okay. Why is it not right clicking and pasting? Otherwise, Ctrl V to paste. So it's telling me to use my keyboard instead of the mouse there. Okay, so Ctrl V. I always knew that the keyboard works though. So here I can place this here and start playing around with the image. Look at this. This looks not so good, but we can do some things around it. For instance, look at transparency. You see, we can do transparency. We can send it to the back of this picture and use it as a background. Look at this. It's on top now, but if I right click on it, there's send backward. Now it's behind this picture. It's now behind this. You may not notice it on your phone or your laptop, but I can notice it now that it's now a background picture. So if I still don't like the transparency, I can still move it this way. See? So a number of things you can do. Even the color of this guy that is black now. Look at this, is black. We can change this guy color. You see? So you can play around. If you want text, you click on text and you see so many standard texts you can use, so many designs you can use, so many. Alright, if you don't want to use any of the custom designs, let me click one first. So I've clicked one and it's gonna show up here. Canva does not work without internet, so you must have internet. Look at this one. Let me delete this so we can see it well. Delete. So look at this one. Sounds like a nice design for motivational quote. I can change the font here. Font Arimo. You see? Yeah, I like this font, but there are hundreds of fonts. Hundreds of fonts. Now I've got Arimo that I like. I can drag this. Okay. Good. Now another thing I can do with Arimo with this is make sure it's highlighted. The font size is 61. I can increase it to 70. Enter. You see, it's now bigger. I can change the color to red, to this color, to that color. Notice here, Canva chose the background picture I had and created colors out of it. Isn't that amazing? This is the background picture we had. Canva automatically, using AI, was able to create the different colors that was used in that picture. So when you get a picture, you can get the colors. You see? So that's the text colors. I can make it bold. There are many effects. So if you come on effect, look at this, and so on. See, curved text, so on and so forth. Now you can also adjust the thickness, the intensity for each effect you choose. You can adjust what happens there. Look at the intensity, drag it right up here. So now what you notice is that this picture is in two parts. There's this text and there's this part that hasn't changed since we started. So if we double click on it, it will highlight, and then we can change it. It's 26 here, we can make it 40. Enter. You see how big it is now. But the thing is, I can't move it separately. What if I wanted to create more space? As you can see, it's moving together because they are grouped. So if I want to ungroup it, once you select something, Canva will give you the option to ungroup. I'm looking for the ungroup. I think right click, ungroup. Look at this, ungroup. So once I ungroup it, then I can move it separately. You can ungroup again. Okay, yeah, look at it now. I can expand it separately. You see? If you want to move something in Canva, you will need this a lot in your mobile phone. So in your Canva mobile app, if you look at this, you see that you can move these around. You see? You can easily move this around. That's what you click on your mobile app, because on your mobile app, this text will be so small that you can't use your thumb to click and drag it. Okay? So this is what you use. Now if I want to rotate this is what I use. Rotate. So that's how you rotate text in Canva. If you want to duplicate this page, instead of just clicking add page, if you want to duplicate this, let's say you're creating a series of designs like slides on Instagram. All right, you know, all your slides they're gonna have the same background, and that background may already have like your logo at the bottom and this kind of background. The only thing that'll be changing is text. What you do is you create the background as your first page, then in your subsequent pages, instead of creating a new page, you just copy, duplicate page. You see, now we have the same kind of page. Now I can change the text. At the end, you duplicate page again. You can delete the page here, and then you can add page, which is what we already have here. So on your phone, this entire design arrangement might be slightly different. Just browse around the mobile app to figure out how it's different. Now finally, this is what we have. 3 pages. We can save or publish to Facebook. Okay, we can download. We can share the link so that people can view it directly on Canva, and a whole lot of things. You can even schedule the publishing. Okay, you can do a lot of things with other apps here. So that's it. Like I said, under elements, if you need things like YouTube logo, everything is on Canva. YouTube, if I type YouTube now, YouTube, you will see different YouTube logo designs. Look at this. If I click on this, it shows up. So if I want to add, I clicked it twice, that's why it showed up twice. So here I can put this here. If you want to crop, look at this. If you want to flip, look at this. And if you want to change the color is white and blue, white and red, but I can change it to white and blue. Okay. click outside, you see. So a lot of things. Now if you want pictures, for instance a woman singing, I can say, or man singing, enter. Now this shows me all. If you look at all men singing, it's showing everything, but I can say show me only pictures. I like this. Then this is different. This is a human being picture. I can say photos. I see only pictures. All these pictures are free to use. Okay, I can say graphics. Shows me only graphics. Click on graphics, and then the guy adds. I can say videos. Okay, so now it's added. I can say videos. Then I see a lot of videos. So Canva has a lot of videos, hundreds of thousands. Then there's audio. Canva has a lot of audio. Alright, so now this guy is here. We can edit in so many ways. So at the end of it, now you figure out how to use Canva. You save it on your phone. Now what happens when you close your Canva? These designs are still there. So you can always go to your designs and see it. Once you log into Canva, it will show you your designs. Anytime you go to canva.com, see here all your designs. On the mobile phone, if you look around, you will see it too. All my designs, you see. So if I click here, I will see all the designs I've ever done on Canva. Isn't it amazing? Then if you click here, you can start a new design, or anywhere you click, you can start a new design. So Canva is amazing. So you can stop a design halfway and then go back the following day and continue with the Canva design. Now for the advert we're going to see in the next video, I already did some designs. These are the designs I did. This is the first one. First page. Okay, this is the second one. This is the third one. I can do endlessly. So if I just type here flyer, I will see flyer design. Flyer designs. Okay, see different flyer. I'm not sure I spelled that flyer right. Flyer, isn't it? So I'll see different ones, select any one and customize it. Alright guys, thank you very much. I hope you've learned how to use Canva now to create both videos, text. Now if you recorded a video on your own, you can simply upload it to Canva and then start playing around with it. Okay, just get to Canva homepage and upload a video to your Canva. So let's say I recorded a 2-3 minute video and I want to write my name on that video with put my logo and a number of things. Once I open Canva blank page, add page, so it creates a blank page for me. I come here on uploads. This is where I'm going to see what I'm looking for. So once you click uploads, you'll see upload media. Then you can upload it from your laptop or your phone. Then you can see record yourself. It will on my camera and start recording me. Alright, so if you scroll down, you see all the pictures, videos, audio that I've uploaded. Now the question is, people will ask is, how can you upload a video you recorded on your phone into Canva? It's simple. Download the Canva app. Okay, download the Canva app on your phone, use it to upload. If you prefer to use Canva on your laptop, once you upload it on your phone, it will be accessible on your laptop. Alright, so thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this. See you in the next video where we'll use our Canva to start creating adverts on Facebook.